dangerous.
Tell me why you want to set my phone and tell the whole world why you want to put me in your van when I'm going to do my work. If you want to check something, you get in my car, you check my.
This is dangerous.
There is nothing, my man. You tell the world here the reason why you want to set my phone.
Is dangerous.
Tell me why you want to set my phone and tell the whole world why you want to put me in your van when I'm going to do my work. If you want to check something, you get in my car, you check my car, I will watch everything. You are not going to treat me like a novice. We're in front of your wall now. You want to harass me like you do to all my brothers. Do it now. Your car is not even branded. I'm not going to leave this place. We're in front of the wall now. There is nothing you can do to me. Your face is already on this camera. You want us to go to the police station? I will drive in my car because you haven't got anything on me. There is nothing like by force. You can't force me. Can you touch me? Is it part of your rights to touch me? Huh? I've got a lawyer, I've got everything. I'm a law-abiding resident of South Africa, even though I'm not a citizen from here. You can't treat me like that. By force what? Thank God it's daytime. You want to do anything to me, do it to me in front of the whole world. This is what we go through every day. This is what we go through, and when we talk about xenophobia, everybody, they think maybe, okay, we're just blabbing. It is real. They check into your car and see how you look, you know, you're Nigerian or whatever, and they stop you and to harass you. They've called the rest of them now, you see, they are coming. I think the bullies are here now.
You're done.
Yeah. No, I'm not done. I'm not done. Do anything you want to do to me in front of the whole world. People are looking. We're on Bemo Road in Sante. My man, don't touch me like that. Why are you beating me? Why are you hitting me? I cannot drop my phone. This is my own right. See the way they are treating me. Can you see the way they are treating me? Can you see the way they are treating me? See the way they are beating me? Can you see? Beating me, yes. Hey, just a recording. Stop fighting me like that, man. Yeah, my phone. Ah! Yeah.
This guy is here.